How to restart your Spotify playlist. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vinmasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can restart playing your Spotify playlist. Well, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to do so, you can simply open up Spotify and head into your playlist. You can head into your library option at the bottom of your screen, and here you'll be able to see your playlist. You can simply head into your playlist and you can play it. Now, depending on the particular songs that you have, you can simply tap on the particular play icon that you can see at the top, at the profile at the right hand side of the screen. Now you can toggle on shuffle as well here. However, you'll need to be the premium. If you toggle it on, your songs will be played by shuffled in shuffle mode. However, if you don't have it, even if you still don't have the premium, you can simply tap on the play button there and it'll start playing. Now I have 5 minutes of playtime. I don't have much songs on the playlist, but if you do have, it'll start playing immediately. So this is how you can restart your Spotify playlist. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.